Greetings and welcome. Every day there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is JANET REYNOLDS, and today I'm going to share with you from Luke chapter 22, 15 to 22. I'm going to share about Jesus' Last Supper with him followers. Jesus said to them, say, "Uno no know how me did well want that time ya come, so me coulda nyam the Passover food with uno before me suffer. Me nah go nyam it again till me reach in a God kingdom." Jesus take up the cup and give God thanks. Then him said to them, say, "Take this and share it up amongst uno one another. Me I tell you this, me nah go drink wine again till God kingdom come." Jesus take up the bread, give God thanks, broke it up and give them. And then him say, "This are my body, when me go give up for you now. Uno fi do this, fi remember me." I see him so when them done nyam, him take up the cup and say, "This are my blood, where we are go pour out for you now. But look, the man we are go sell me out, the right here so at the table with we. It done decide already, or the man we God choose are go dead. But trouble for the man we sell me out. This a God word." Thank God.